Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 2 of the Triple R challenge, and we are doing our regulate day. And for this day, we're doing a full moon in Cancer practice. I took some notes here from what I was reading. This full moon focuses on emotional expression, illumination, clearing the past, growth and progress, and a balance between home life and our public duties. So we'll be tapping into the root chakra, which is going to help us create some stability in our life structures, the sacral chakra for emotional expression, and the heart chakra to encourage forgiveness of past patterns. So that means we'll be doing some hip opening and some heart opening. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use a hand mudra today. Hand mudras are just hand positions that have different meanings. And the mudra we're going to use today is the lotus mudra. This will be great to encourage love and balance. So to do the lotus mudra, you're just going to touch the pinkies and touch the thumbs, and then let the other fingers come out. So we kind of create this lotus, and go ahead and just hold it at your heart. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall in a comfortable seat. Close your eyes or lower your gaze to the floor, and we'll start with our breaths. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Good. Second, deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Let's return to the natural breath again. Just preparing our minds and our bodies for this full moon in Cancer practice, encouraging balance, emotional expression, illumination. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, release the hands. We're going to bring our arms out wide and then cactus the elbows. So just bending at the elbows and let the palms face out. We're going to do some seated cat-cow here. So take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, roll the shoulders back. Good. Let those elbows open nice and wide, opening the heart. Exhale, bring the chin down towards the chest. Let those arms come together. Let those elbows come together. Good. Inhale, open again. Arch the spine, lift the chin, roll those shoulders back, open the arms. Exhale, round. Bring those elbows together. Bring the chin towards the chest. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Good. Let's do a couple more rounds. A couple more rounds on your own. And after this practice, if you want to continue with this energy, I recommend the song on my meditation album called Mantra. And I'll remind you at the end of the practice. Good. Come back to a neutral position. Release those arms. Good. Take your right hand, plant it down on the ground beside you. We're going to take our left hand, bring it behind the head, and we're going to kind of bend over to the left. Bend over to the right as we bring our gaze to the left. Good. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down. Right arm comes behind the head, bend over to the left, gaze to the right. Good, we'll find a flow here. Inhale, right hand down. And bend to the right, left elbow. Inhale and exhale, bend. Inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale, exhale, bend. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Let both hands rest down. Let's come to hands and knees and make our way straight to child's pose, Balasana. So big toes come together, knees wide, float the hips back, extend the arms forward. Remember your modification. Remember you can keep the hips lifted if you need to, or that you can bring pillows underneath the hips if you need to. Good. See if you could tap into a nice steady breath in and out of the nose if you can. Good. Take an inhale here in your child's pose. Exhale, shift your weight forward. Come to a table position. We're going to step our right foot up in between our hands. However you get it there is fine. Align your right knee over your ankle. Sweep your arms up for Anjaneyasana, low lunge. If you want a little bit more, you could bring the hands together and find a back bend here, extending those index fingers. If you need a little less, rest the hands above the knee. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, we're going to drop the arms out wide and twist to the right side. If this is a lot, you can just rest one hand on the knee and reach the right arm back. But if you can, go ahead and reach both arms out wide. Good. Twist as much as you can. It doesn't have to be as deep as mine. Do what you can. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down inside of the right foot. Right arm extends straight up for a revolve low lunge. Good. Try to keep those shoulders dropped away from the ears. Take an inhale. Exhale, right hand comes down. We're going to step that right foot back and come back to child's pose. Big toes together, knees wide. Float the hips back towards the heels. You know, sometimes the poses seem simple, but they're engaging many muscles in our body. So if your breath is shorter, it makes sense because mine is. Remember to always just do what you can. You can always add more or less. Take an inhale here in our child's pose. Exhale, shift your weight forward again. Left foot steps up in between the hands. Align that left knee over the ankle. Sweep the arms up, Anjaneyasana, low lunge. You can either keep them straight up. If you want less, rest the hands on the knee. If you want more, we interlace the fingers with the index fingers extended, and we find a back bend. Good. Press down through the ball and heel of that front foot to help you balance. Inhale. Exhale, our arms come out wide as we twist to the left, or you keep the right hand on the knee and reach the left arm back. Good. Inhale here. Exhale, right hand comes down inside of the left foot. The left arm extends up as much as you can. You can either look up towards the left thumb or down towards the right hand. Down will give you a little bit more balance. Up will challenge your balance a bit more. Take an inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down. We step this left foot back as we come back to a child's pose. Big toes together, knees wide. Good. Find that steady breath again if you've lost it. Reestablish that breath. Take an inhale. Exhale. Shift your weight forward again. We'll come down to a seated position. Extending those legs to straight. And we're going to find this twisting pose called Lord of the Fishes pose or Ardha Matsyendrasana. So to do Ardha Matsyendrasana, we'll bend into the right knee. And then we'll step this right foot over the left leg. So the right foot is now on the left. I'll give you a couple options here. Option one, we'll take the inside of this left elbow, wrap it around the right knee as we twist to the right. Right hand rests behind you, looking over to the right side or over that right shoulder. If you want to deepen your twist and it works okay for your body, we'll reach this left arm up. You may have to lean back a bit and then twist. Bring the left elbow outside of the right knee and then come back to more of an upright position. Good. Either one of those works. If you want to add more, if you want a little more, we'll bend this left knee as well, if that works for your body. If not, don't force it. Remember that everybody's practice is going to look different. Nobody's is going to look exactly like mine or anybody else's. And that's what we want, because we are all different. And we embrace those differences. We don't try to be the same. Good. A couple more breaths here. These twisting poses are great for digestion, for detoxing the body, for wringing out the organs. Take an inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Extend those legs to straight again. Let's just take a moment here. Shake the legs out a bit. We'll do the other side. So let's bend into the left foot. Bring that left foot flat. Right foot is flexed. We'll step that left foot over to the right. Option one, we wrap the inside of that right elbow around the left knee as the left hand rests behind us, looking to the left or over the left shoulder. Option two, we reach this right arm up. Lean back a bit if you need to. Twist. Bring that right elbow outside of the left knee. Same thing, looking over to the left or over that left shoulder. And if you want more, you'll bend that bottom leg. Good. Remember the breath here. These twisting poses sometimes make it a bit more difficult to breathe. So if you become too short of breath, you can always release the twist. Make sure those shoulders are nice and relaxed away from the ears. Good posture here. Good. We'll take an inhale here in our Ardha Matsyendrasana. Exhale. Come back to center again. Let's bring our feet flat on the ground and make our way down to our back. So scooting the hips close to the heels, coming down to your back. We'll do bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. So our hands will rest alongside our body. Our feet are flat on the ground, and I want you to walk the heels back until you just gently feel those fingertips tickle the heels. Now kind of tilt your pelvis towards you so you can press that lower back into the ground. Press down through the feet as you lift the hips. We're trying to make a ramp from the knees down towards the shoulders. Press those knees towards each other, so not letting those knees splay out too much. Good. Hold in for a couple more breaths. Rest if you need to. Inhale. Exhale, gently roll down. One vertebra at a time, coming back down to your flat back. And take those knees, hug them into your chest. Rock side to side here. Good. Let's take an inhale, squeeze ourselves into a ball. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release to your final resting pose, corpse pose, Shavasana. Feet reach towards the bottom corners of your mat. Arms rest at your sides. Palms facing upward. If you need to move into a more comfortable position, or if you prefer to be seated, you can be. Let's come back to the breath again. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a second, deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Relax and surrender. Returning to the natural breath. Allowing each exhale to let you sink deeper and deeper into your mat. Allowing all tension to roll off after all the hard work you just did. And while you're here, I'll say these affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I honor my emotional needs while maintaining healthy boundaries. I am building a stable foundation for my future. I trust my inner strength to guide me into aligned action. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body and back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow. As we take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for this act of self-care and self-love today. And on your next inhale, if you're laying down, make your way up to a comfortable seat once again if you're not already there. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 2 of the Triple R Challenge, our Regulate Day. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video, how you are enjoying the challenge so far. Make sure you check out that track on my meditation album called Mantra, which pairs really well with this practice. My album is linked down below. This outfit is on my Amazon storefront if you like this outfit. I really love this outfit. I love this color. This is a Yeti outfit actually. If you'd like access to longer exclusive videos, consider joining my channel as a member. There's 3 different tier levels, so you have options. And check out my Patreon down there as well if you are interested in sensual and feminine yoga. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.